Hello friends and coin lovers, welcome back to Bullion and Beyond, the channel where we uncover hidden treasures, rare coins and shocking values that most people ignore. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating story of the 1961 D Lincoln cent. Some claims online suggest this small 1-cent coin could be worth $2.890.347.900. That number sounds unbelievable. So today we will break down the facts, history, rarity, errors and real market value to discover the truth behind this coin. The 1961 D Lincoln cent was produced by the United States Mint at its Denver facility. The D mint mark represents Denver, Colorado. In 1961 the Denver Mint struck over 1 billion Lincoln cents, which makes it one of the higher mintage coins of that era. Because of this large production number, most 1961 D pennies are very common today. This coin features the portrait of President Abraham Lincoln on the obverse. The design was created by Victor David Brenner and it has been used on the Lincoln cent since 1909. On the reverse side the coin displays the classic wheat ears design, which is why collectors call these coins wheat pennies. However, it is important to remember that the wheat design ended in 1958. The 1961 D penny actually features the Lincoln Memorial reverse, which shows the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. The composition of the 1961 D penny is 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc. Each coin weighs 3.11 grams and has a diameter of 19 millimeters. Because of its copper content, many collectors save these coins for their metal value alone, especially as copper prices increase over time. Now let us address the most exciting claim. Is the 1961 D penny really worth billions of dollars? The simple answer is no. There is no verified sale record anywhere near that number. The highest graded examples certified by major grading companies such as Professional Coin Grading Service and Numismatic Guarantee Company have sold for strong prices, but nowhere close to billions. In average circulated condition, a 1961 D penny is typically worth between 3 cents and 15 cents depending on copper prices and condition. In uncirculated condition the value increases. A bright red mint state example graded MS65 can sell for $20 to $40. Extremely high-grade coins such as MS67 red can reach several $100s at auction. These prices are impressive for a 1-cent coin, but they are far from millions or billions. So why do we see massive value claims online? Many viral videos and social media posts use exaggerated numbers to attract attention. While it creates excitement, it is important for collectors to rely on verified auction records and professional grading standards. However, that does not mean the 1961 D penny cannot be valuable. Certain error varieties can command higher premiums. For example, repunched mint marks, die cracks, off-center strikes and double die errors can significantly increase value. A genuine double die example in high-grade condition can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars depending on demand. Another factor that affects value is color designation. Collectors pay more for coins labeled red, which means the coin retains its original bright copper color. Red-brown coins are slightly toned and brown coins are fully toned. Red examples always bring the highest premium, especially in high mint state grades. If you think you have a special 1961 D penny, start by examining it under magnification. Look for sharp details, strong luster and any unusual doubling in the lettering or date. Check the mint mark position carefully. If the coin appears uncirculated with no wear, it may be worth submitting to a grading service for professional evaluation. It is also important to understand market demand. The Lincoln cent series is one of the most collected coin series in the United States. Millions of collectors build date and mint mark sets, which keep steady demand in the market. Even common dates in superb condition can surprise you with their auction results. For long-term investors, copper cents like the 1961 D remain interesting because of their metal content, historical significance and collector demand. While they may not reach billion-dollar values, they represent a strong entry point for beginners in coin collecting. Let us summarize the truth. The 1961 D Lincoln cent is a common coin with a large mintage. Most examples are worth only a few cents. High-grade uncirculated coins can be worth tens or hundreds of dollars. Rare error varieties may reach into the thousands. There is no factual evidence of a 1961 D penny worth billions of dollars. The real treasure in coin collecting is knowledge. When you understand mintage condition, rarity and market trends, you protect yourself from misinformation and make smarter collecting decisions. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Bullion and Beyond. Drop a comment below and tell us if you have ever found an old copper penny in your change. And remember, always check your coins carefully because hidden value often lies in small details. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next episode where we uncover another coin mystery.